Okay, the rocket is getting ready to launch in 3 minutes and 23 seconds.
And then coming up in less than 30 seconds at the T-minus 3 minute mark.
We're going to go outside and look in the direction and see if we can see it. See the line, the trail.
2 minute mark before flight, where we'll hear
3 minutes
loading is complete on the second stage.
from right now.
On your screen.
All right, let's go outside. Let's go outside, partner. See if we can see it. We've seen it before from out here.
Very clear.
It is a clear day. Looks like a little hazy, but at nighttime you can see it real easy. And I know which direction to look because we've seen it several times. That wasn't it. That was not the rocket right there. That was not the rocket. That guy thinks he's in a rocket, but he's not. He's in a noisy car. All right, now. It's pretty clear. It's pretty clear. All right, don't be shaking now. My gimbal's giving me a little trouble.
Uh-oh.
All right, let me zoom in as much as I can. All right, don't be shaking. Yeah, my gimbal has seen better days. It's up that way somewhere. I'll move a little bit to this way because I can't remember if we can see it. Yeah, now we can see the whole sky. All right, don't be shaking. I might have to take it off the gimbal.
That'll be it. That's the direction.
I zoomed in as much as I can zoom on my phone. I watched it one time from the parking lot at the Paddock Mall at night or early in the morning when it was still dark, and you could see it so clearly. And one time when the space shuttle went up, I was in Rainbow Lakes Estates, and that's almost all the way to the Gulf Coast. And the space shuttle went up at night, and I went to the top of a hill to see if I could see it. And man, I could see it so clearly. Is that it? Is that it right there? I think I see it, Robin. Right there under that cloud.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Right there under that cloud. You see
yeah,
it?
That's it.
You see it?
That's it. Isn't that beautiful?
Do you see it?
I see it.
Okay, it's right.
Isn't that beautiful?
Let me get my finger in there. It's right there. Do you see that little tiny line right there? That little tiny line?
Yeah,
that's it.
That's it. Woo! Yay! Team.
That's it.
Oh my gosh. That is so
Yeah, I don't know if you can see that little tiny line right there. The line is now spreading. Oops, I made it out of focus right there. Now the vapor trail is spreading, so you can see the vapor trail better. And the rocket is way farther up than that.
Maybe we'll see the burn.
Yeah, maybe you'll see it when the boosters leave. And don't these boosters land back down on, don't they come back down?
Yeah,
or doesn't it come back down?
They're supposed to, because they're supposed to be reusable, not like the launches in the past.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so exciting. Oh, there goes Bird.
There's a bird. He's the first one who knew how to fly.
Yeah.
Well, gosh, can we hear it?
No, it's an owl.
An owl. Oh, I feel like I can hear a little, like an engine.
Oh, now I don't see it. Usually you can...
Oh, it'd be way up by now.
Yeah, but usually you can see the burn.
I'm looking.
Oh, that's a plane up there.
I wonder if SpaceX does it differently than the other ones.
Yeah. Well, this is cool. It always amazes me.
And I saw the rocket before I saw the vapor trail.
Uh-huh.
I saw a little tiny glimmer of of a rocket. I don't know if it's visible on the video. All right, well, let's go back inside and see if they're showing the landing of the booster.
Okay.
I don't think we'll see anything else here.
No, I think that's it.
All right, don't be shaking. Oh, my gimbal is shaking. All right, that was fun. And that was like, it was one of those times where it actually worked out for us. Sometimes you come out here and you don't see anything.
And then we went to that big field that day. And it was scrub. And the baseball.
Oh, we went as close as you could get. We went to the Cape, yeah. As close as you could get. All right, let's go see if they're showing it on the TV now. That was cool, Robin. We walked out almost exactly at the right time.
That was great.
All right. Let's see. I can send it to Eli. Oh, now it's going.
And incredible views there on your left-hand screen. On your left-hand screen, you can see a view from stage 1.
Oh, now it's coming back down.
There it is.
Nice. Awesome views of that boost back burn on the first stage, as well as the MVAC engine igniting on the second stage. Great views there. Now the booster is in its boost back burn. This is the first of 3 burns as it makes its way back down to Earth. This will last about 45 seconds. And the Crew-10 crew is still on board Dragon, attached to Falcon 9 second stage, which you can see there on your right-hand screen.
And we're now at 3 minutes and 20 seconds.
Wow,
into
yeah,
this flight. The vehicle is traveling about 6,500 miles per hour. They are on their way to the space station. And we did have that confirmation coming up of the boost back shutdown, and then coming up at the T+6 minute mark.
There they are. 3 astronauts and 1 cosmonaut.
Our first images of the crew inside the Dragon spacecraft as they make their way into orbit. And the crew,
Dragon, SpaceX, nominal trajectory.
continuing to get good call-outs.
SpaceX Dragon, happy nominal.
Stage 2, it continues to be on power with and it's firing until we get to that second stage engine cutoff around the 9-minute mark of flight. It's about 5 minutes of flight to go before Dragon will be flying free.
Oh, the left side of the screen, that's the booster coming back down.
That's amazing.
Some cool views there on your left-hand screen. That's the first stage booster as it's making its way back down to Earth. This is a ground tracking camera getting these awesome views.
And on the right-hand side of your screen, you can see that lone Merlin vacuum engine of the second stage. We're continuing to get good performance.
So when the
on
astronauts
second stage.
are rescued from the space station, the ones that have been stranded there, their capsule is going to be landing in the Pacific Ocean.
I think so, yeah.
We're now 5 minutes into today's flight with a liftoff at 7:03 p.m. Pacific, 7:03 p.m. Eastern, 4:03 p.m. Pacific. Continuing to get good call-outs as stage 1 makes its way back to Earth, and stage 2 continues to fire, propelling Dragon into orbit.
And if you're just now joining us, the 4 members of Crew-10 launched from Launch Complex 39A at Kennedy Space Center in Florida. And they're currently on board Dragon, still attached to Falcon 9 second stage, which you're seeing there on the right-hand screen. On your left-hand screen, the first stage vehicle is making its way back down to Earth. It already completed the first of 3 burns as the boost back burn, and the next event coming up for that vehicle is going to be the entry burn.
Dragon, SpaceX, nominal trajectory.
Great call outs there. That entry burn is coming up. Dragon, happy nominal. That entry burn is coming up here in just under 20 seconds. We'll reignite 3 of those 9 Merlin 1D engines to help slow the vehicle down as it makes its way back into the Earth's atmosphere.
We're now just over 6 minutes into today's flight as Dragon and second stage continue traveling at over 12,000 miles per hour, making their way into
12,000 miles per hour. My goodness. I'm not even comfortable going 60.
There, we just saw on the screen, it was very quick, but we had the engine burn, which we got some cool views of that from the ground, which
It's
is
amazing.
awesome.
They have a camera that can see that high up to get that booster.
Now, the next event
It
coming
is
up will be
amazing.
the landing burn for the first stage. That's coming up here in about 30 seconds.
Dragon SpaceX, nominal trajectory.
And great call outs for
Whoa. What's happening on the left side? What is that?
That's
Oh, that's the whole booster. Oh my gosh.
That's entering. It's a
Look at got what a shot they have.
Yeah.
Down to Earth, and the second stage continuing to
Wow.
This is an awesome view. Let's see if we can see the center engine relight for that landing burn here in a few seconds.
There it is.
Gosh.
Oh my gosh.
And here
There's
it
that
comes.
landing burn. Let's watch as Falcon 9 touches down on landing zone 1.
That's amazing. Look at that. Look at that.
Holy cow.
My goodness. Wow. That's amazing. Came right back down. Pad 39A.
Wow, that's incredible.
That is. I've never seen that
first
before.
stage has made its way back to Earth. We're about a minute away from the second engine cutoff, which we're expecting around the 9-minute mark of today's flight.
So the second engine cutoff
We're
does
continuing
what?
to get good call outs and Dragon
then-
and all
then
of the
the
systems on the
capsule's
vehicle.
gone.
Oh, then the capsule's on its own?
Expected
Yeah.
just over 8 minutes into today's flight, traveling more than 21,000
I'm
miles.
pretty
per
sure.
hour.
I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure.
Terminal guidance.
Because it's
Hearing
still
good
pushing it.
call-outs.
It's still pushing the capsule.
We're about 30
Go to
seconds away
space.
from that second engine cutoff, and then shortly after that, about a minute or so later, we will have orbital insertion.
That's pretty cool.
Space copy Shannon.
That call out there for Shannon, and that is the call out for Shannon, Ireland, which is the final abort stage for the second stage off the coast of Ireland. Standing by for a second engine cutoff.
Off the coast of Ireland.
Impact shutdown.
Yeah. Isn't that something?
So now we're waiting for that thing to.
Nominal orbit insertion.
Yeah.
And there we heard,
Something-
confirmation
Multi-stage
of
system disarmed.
good confirmation of orbital insertion. Crew-10 is now well on their way to the International Space Station, following a 9.5-minute flight uphill.
How long does it take to get to the space station?
I don't
Now-
know. Let me look it up.
That looks like a big eye right
Preparing
there.
For Dragon separation here, which should
They're
happen
still sitting there.
shortly,
only one
about
person
10-15
that's
seconds
moving.
is what we're expecting.
The other guys are
And we're
probably
preparing
nervous.
for
There it goes.
stabilizing the second stage so that we can have a smooth separation.
And
There.
there you can see on the left-hand side of your screen. And the crowd is going wild. There on your screen, you
Did
can
a
see
piece
that
break off?
Dragon separation. That second
I
stage
don't
making
know.
its
I was
way.
looking up your
The
question.
Dragon is now flying free. 10 minutes into today's flight, that was about a minute after we had that second engine cutoff and orbital insertion.
Wow, look at all that stuff, that debris that's.
It looks like a good separation, good rates. Dragon now flying free. There on the right-hand side of your screen, you can see some first images of Crew-10 inside the Dragon Endurance spacecraft as they're now successfully in orbit.
Dragon, SpaceX Chief Engineer and Countdown 1. On behalf of the entire Falcon team, we thank you for flying with Falcon and wish you a great mission. Over to
Thank you
LD.
for flying with Falcon.
Yeah, right.
It was an honor flying with you this evening. We wish you well on your journey and give Crew-9 our best. Thank you for flying SpaceX.
Wow, it's like an air, like you're on a jetliner or
Well,
whatever.
sure, they're
Airline.
practicing for that.
This is Crew-10 Commander Ann McLean. Thank you to all of the teams from across the world who contributed to the launch today. Spaceflight is tough, but humans are tougher. Days like today are made possible only when people choose to do the harder right over the easier wrong. Build relationships, choose cooperation, and believe in the inherent goodness of all people across the world. To my family and friends, without you, I would not be here. Explore boldly, live gracefully, go Crew-10. Over to pilot Nicole Ayers.
Whoa, very philosophical.
Yeah. Look at their boots.
Nicole Ayers
Still
again.
can't find
We're
it.
not the first humans to get to orbit, and we wouldn't be here without the bravery and hard work of those who have paved the way for human spaceflight. We now get the unique perspective of Earth without borders and get to revel in the connectedness of humanity. I would be remiss to not once again acknowledge those who helped me get here, to this wonderful view and this perspective, to the teachers, coaches, fellow officers, fellow teammates, Raptor Nation, to my friends and family that encouraged my dreams from the start. Thank you. I
Wow.
wouldn't be here without you.
It's like an awards ceremony speech.
We're expected to dock at 11:30 p.m. Eastern Time, March 15th.
Okay.
It's tomorrow, Saturday.
Oh, wait, okay.
We are looking forward to a smooth ride to the International Space
It's
Station.
about 28 hours.
これから先も ISS の宇宙の旅楽しんでいきたいと思います。I will now hand the mic over to Mission Specialist Julio.
Thanks a lot to NASA and SpaceX for this wonderful ride, and I want to say a couple of words in Russian. Пользуясь такой чудесной возможностью, хочу поздравить с 65-летием со дня начала подготовки первого отряда. И также хочу сказать спасибо большое за те знания и жизненный опыт, которые были получены в тех стенах для того, чтобы выполнить этот полет. А также спасибо школе номер 14 города Назарова, Ульяновскому высшему авиационному училищу гражданской авиации и авиакомпании МК, где начинал свой путь в небо. И, конечно, спасибо большое семье и за поддержку.
All right, I guess we'll wrap up the video. Take care, be good, don't forget to ride.
Remember, writing's very important, and reading too.
The world
Spins mine.
on her own,
Yes,
baby.
it does.